In this video, we will cook the delicious and incredibly tender salad with red currant. To cook this salad, we will need the following products: red currant, sprouted mung beans, carrots, Peking cabbage, garlic, dill, parsley, green onions, vegetable oil, salt to taste. Cooking process. Please rate this video if you like it or even if you don't like. Your opinion is very important for me. Stay with us. To subscribe to the channel, click on the circle with my photo in the center of the screen and to the bell to receive notifications of the release of new videos at the channel. This especially true when new videos with gifts and contests for the channel's audience appear. See you soon in new videos.